Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video, I'm going to share with you quick unboxing and review Motorola Moto G15. So let's take a look. This is my Motorola Moto G15, how the box exactly looks like by side. So I'm going to unboxing this box and then I'm going to share with you what exactly we're going to inside this box and how exactly this Motorola G15 looks like. After unboxing this box, what we get inside this box, here is we will get inside this box a backside cover, and then itself our Motorola G15 smartphone, a SIM ejector, and a USB-C charging cable, a power adapter, and quick user guide. So here we go. This is my Moto G15. If I jump over this phone by side, in the left side we will see there is a SIM tray. In the right side we will see a volume rocker button and a power button. In front side we will see there is a front facing camera. If we jump over on the top, there is a headphone jack slot. If we jump over in the bottom, there is a USB-C charging slot, a speaker. If we jump over in the back side, we'll see there is a camera with LED flashlight. Now I'm going to turn on this phone and then I'm doing all this additional setup, and then I'm going to share it to how exactly this Moto G15 looks like. Here we go. I had successfully turned on my phone with additional setup, and this is my phone Moto G15 home screen, how exactly it looks like. In here we'll see there's a stylish way in front facing camera, and if we jump over in this down, there is a back button, home button, and recent button. If we swipe down, just swipe down, and here we can see quick access area. You can easily do any additional quick access things. And here if we jump over this phone dial pad section, this is the phone how exactly the dial pad section looks like. If we jump over this phone all app section, this is how the phone all app section looks like, which is really quite interesting. If I jump over this phone settings section, this is the phone settings section. If I jump over this phone about phone, this is the about my Moto G15. Let me jump over this phone camera sections. If I open my phone camera section, this is how the camera section looks like. If we jump over from the beginning, we can record slow motion video through this phone. We can go record video, also 0.5x, or even we can make up to 5.6x zoom, which is really quite interesting. Also, if you jump over the photo, you can take a photo 0.5 or 2x zoom. Also, you can take a photo by portrait mode, or even if you decide to scan any keyword code, you can record, or you can take a pro or more section. You can take a panorama, time lapse, or night vision. Also, if I jump over this phone, there is a settings section. You can do all other additional setup for your camera section in this Moto G15. The Motorola Moto G15 combines technology with beautiful design. Enjoy great viewing on the 6.72 inches Full HD Plus display, while Dolby Atmos and stereo speaker ensure an impressive audio experience. The MediaTek Helio G81 processor make multitasking smooth while giving you plenty of room of your apps and files. Add in a 5200 mAh battery and you have a device that moves with you all day. Display: the large 6.72 inches Full HD Plus display lets you watch videos, play games, and scroll through social media in the best quality. Thanks to a resolution of 2400 into 1080, colors come out bright and details sharp. HDR10 support ensure vibrant colors and enhanced content, so your content is always at the best. The display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 3, which prevents scratch and damage. Even in bright sunlight, the skin remains clear thanks to the brightness made up to 1000 nits. Battery: with the Moto G15's powerful 5200 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about an empty phone. This battery provides enough power to stream, work and play game all day. Should recharging be necessary? Turbo power ensure you have enough power to keep going within minutes. Ideal for anyone who is always on the move or work long hours. Cameras. The Motorola Moto G15's camera system make taking photos easy and fun. The 50 megapixel main camera captures every details even in challenging lighting conditions. Thanks to keyword pixel technology, the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens let you take impressive group shots and panoramic images. The 8 megapixel front camera is good for selfie and video calls. Special camera features like night vision, portrait mode and face retouch make all your photo like professional. Design. The Motorola Moto G15 features IP54 water resistant, protecting it from a splash of water and dust. The body with a vegan leather finish giving the device a beautiful look. Security features like a fingerprint sensor and Moto Secure keep you protect from unwanted access thanks for a secure folder for sensitive data and advanced Wi-Fi security options. The device runs on Android 15 giving you access to the latest features and updates. You have plenty of space for all your files and by a micro SD card you can expand your storage up to 1 TB. This device weight is 190 gram and it's supported dual nano SIM. And it's coming with varieties of storage. You can choose 128 GB or 256 GB or 512 GB storage, or you can choose 4 GB or 8 GB RAM. And it's coming with NFC, fingerprint, face unlock, and also coming USB Type C 2.0. And it has varieties of color. You can choose Gravity Gray, Laguna Green, Sunrise Orange, Sea Blue, Glacier Blue. Here is some pictures taken by Motorola Moto G15 in daytime. You can see the pictures how exactly looks. I try to go different places and take a picture through this Moto G15 and you can see the pictures how exactly looks like. Also, I try to take a picture of me on photo mode and also some picture in portrait mode. You can see the clarity how exactly looks like in daytime pictures in Motorola Moto G15. Here is some pictures taken by Motorola Moto G15 in nighttime. So I go different places, walk around and I try to take a capture through this Moto G15 in nighttime in different light condition and different places. So you can see the pictures how exactly looks. Also I try to take picture of me on photo mode and also portrait mode in night time. This is my Motorola Moto G15 front facing camera, how exactly the sound and video quality looks like in day. This is my Motorola Moto G15 rear camera in day. You can see the sound and video quality how exactly looks like. This is my Motorola Moto G15 front facing camera, how exactly looks like in night. You can see the sound and video quality. This is my Motorola Moto G15 rear camera in night. You can see how exactly the sound and video quality looks like. I bought this phone from online shop which is cost me 570 real. If I converted it to dollar, which will cost around $150. So that's for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.